Welcome to all. Today's lecture topic is Introduction to Software Engineering. The term software engineering is divided into two words. First is software and second is engineering. First is what is meant by software? Software is a collection of integrated programs. That means software is a set of programs. Software subsists of carefully organizing instructions and code written by developer on any of various particular computer languages. Software program and related documentation such as requirement, design models and user manuals. The simple terms of software definition: software is a collection of integrated programs. That means software is more than just program code. Program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is considered to be collection of executable programming code, associated libraries and documentation. Software when made for specific requirement is called software product. Next, first term, software. Software is a collection of integrated program. Second word, engineering. What is meant by engineering? Engineering is the application of scientific and practical knowledge to invent, design, build, maintain and improve framework process. This is engineering. Next term, combined software and engineering. This is software engineering. Software engineering means software engineering is an engineering branch. Software engineering is an engineering branch related to the evaluation of software product. Evaluation of software product. These are the software product. Software product phases: system requirement, analysis, design, coding, testing, deployments, some updates, then maintenance. These all steps combine in software product. And software engineering is an engineering branch related to the evaluation of software product. These way evaluate the software product using well-defined scientific principles, technique and procedure. The result of software engineering is an effective, reliable software product. This is the introduction of software engineering. What is meant by software? Software is a collection of integrated programs is called software. Engineering, on the other hand, is all about developing products using well-defined scientific principles and method. This is engineering. And software engineering is an engineering branch related to the evaluation of software product using well-defined scientific principle, technique and procedure. That means software and engineering combined. This is software engineering definition. What is meant by program? Program is a set of computer instruction. This is a program. We have take one example. For example, take two number, then these two number perform the operation addition, add two number, use the operator plus operator. Then addition of two number, then print the final result. Then operation is print the result. Any program language using this computer instruction, three instructions, set of instruction. Take two number, add two number, then print the result. This is combined. This is called programs. That means program definition, it is a set of computer instruction. Again, software definition with example. What is meant by software? It is a set of computer program. It's called software. We have take one example. Example is calculator. In calculator, some operation perform. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is a set of programs, but addition is a single program, subtraction is single program, multiplication is single program. These three programs combined then develop the software. Is many more program combined, then final develop the software. It is called software. Simple definition, it is a set of computer program. Multiple program combined, then build the software is called software. Types of software. Two types of software. First is system software, second is application software. Next, what is meant by system software? Software required for running majority of user program is called system software. For example, operating system, device editor, these are examples of system software. System software is a collection of program written to services other program. System software provides services to other program. This is called system software. For example, काय सांगितलं आपण ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम, डिव्हाइस ड्रायव्हर, एडिटर. दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेअर. नेक्स्ट इज ऍप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेअर. ऍप्लिकेशन सॉफ्टवेअर special purpose software designed for specific use is called application software. For example, Microsoft Word, web browser. Web browser use searching web pages. This purpose use. Computer games, gaming purpose. Microsoft Word, documentation, type, edit. These we use. This is called application software. Application software is a standalone program which solves specific business requirement. It uses technical data which facilitate business operations, real-time manufacturing process. Some special purpose: messaging, WhatsApp Messenger apps, messaging exchanging purpose. This way design is called application. And system software, collection of such program is a system software for particular computer system. Software requirement running majority of user program is called system software. That means system software is a collection of program written to service to other program is called system software. That means application software running using system software. Operating system install is a system software. These operating system run Microsoft Word, web browser, computer games. This is the application software. Next point, difference between system software and application software. First difference, system software. System software required for running majority of user program is called system software. Application software, a special purpose software designed for specific use is called application software. Next, developed by system designer and comes under the system programming. In system software, in application, developed by application programmer and comes under application programming. This is the application software. System, primary concern with efficient management of computer system. In application, primary concern with solution of some problem using computer as a tools. In system, used to support operation and use the computer itself. This is the system software. In any computer, operating system install is mandatory. This is a system software. Focus on application, not on computing system. Next, system software related to architecture of machines. In application, related to detailed knowledge of language and environment. Application software developed using languages, then related to detailed knowledge of languages and environment. System softwares are machine dependent. Application software are machine independent. In system, lower or middle level language used for developing system software. System software build up lower and middle level language. In application, high level language are used to develop application software. For example, operating system first, then device driver, assembler, linker, loader, compiler. These are the system software. Using system software, application programs are run. This is the application software. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, Photoshop, any application program build up any language, then these are installed in operating system, and operating system are the system software. Any user defined software, that means application software running using system software. These are the difference between system software and application software.